After 15 years, 3,000 days of planning, and over 500,000 miles, the track is getting an update.
It's going to be more responsive. It's going to have a lot different feel to it, a lot different look to it.
The process to get there is excruciatingly detailed.
They took the track down all the way to the ground and they put in a new base asphalt layer.
They put another layer of the urethane and then broadcast the material, the rubber granules over the top of it.
After extensive research, Coach Bauer found something surprising.
We couldn't find any tracks that were gray and green. We've added green to the exchange zones and all the runways and some other areas to kind of highlight the track.
Installed before some of the freshmen were alive, the old track's quality started to deteriorate.
The base part that was put down was kind of delaminated, kind of came unglued from the asphalt.
In the past, we've had some issues with people tripping on that or stepping off of it and injuring their ankles.
We want something that's going to be responsive, that, you know, when you push off of it as you're running, it's not just absorbing, but it pushes back.
So that will cut down on the amount of actual force that they need to generate.
Just walking here, I can tell that this track is super bouncy. I can imagine myself running here, and I will get the chance to, along with every other Pinecrest athlete. Either this year or next year, each team is going to have the chance to come out to this track and try it out for themselves.
We looked at ideas and ways that we could make it better, better for our athletes.
There's also new electrical hookups and water hookups, so when we're trying to hydrate the athletes, that'll make it a lot better for us and safer for the athletes.
We want them to continue to succeed in everything that they do, and in order to have that, we need to have the best of the best facilities.